Hey guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to remove pin password in Messenger. And in order for us to do that, we're going to launch our Messenger application. Then we're going to tap on the three lines, then on settings. From here, I'm going to tap on privacy and safety. Now, for those who are using iPhone, they're going to find an option just here at privacy and settings that is called app lock, and they can go there and they can be able to remove pin password in Messenger. But for the other people who are using Android, may have to go to the end-to-end encrypted, and we're going to go to message storage, and in here is where we're going to tap on delete and turn off secure storage, or we can actually set our pins to be able to remove the pin password that is on Messenger. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.